Not every new home means new construction. Today we're visiting a Lake Oswego build by C&K Custom Remodeling to see how designers helped a family make their new house a home. Built in 1986 at 2,600 square feet, this remodel added 300 square feet of space and transformed the rest to be virtually unrecognizable.
Wow, this place is beautiful. Let's check it out.
Hey, good morning. Come on in. Good to see you.
This place is beautiful.
Thank you. Our guys put a lot of time into it, so I'm excited to show it off.
I'm excited to see it. This is a unique home.
Yes, it is.
Love this living room.
Thank you. As you'll notice, everything in this room is new. We didn't have a fireplace before, so we've added the fireplace. Every door and every window in this project has been replaced.
Wow.
So it is what you would expect from a luxurious remodel. This was also done in traditional style. You'll see it has that kind of New England feel, lots of woodwork and lots of detailing.
I love the crown molding and the backlighting. That is gorgeous.
That's all LED tape, so it's low draw, almost no energy. It can be used as night lighting or accent lighting. And more than anything, it just looks fantastic.
What a beautiful space in here. Should we go take a look at the rest of it?
Let's do it.
Wow, this is a beautiful space.
Thank you. So this is the homeowner's office, and this is actually an addition to the house. So our homeowner purchased this property because they fell in love with the backyard. So we wanted to give her an office where she felt like she was in her backyard while she was working. So this is an addition to the house, but it ties in perfectly.
Oh, it's beautiful. What a glorious backyard back there. But I can just see how this would be so great to work or read or do anything because you're just surrounded by nature.
Yeah, and with the dark woodwork in here, it really feels luxurious. And it makes her feel like she's part of that. It's almost the Frank Lloyd Wright feel.
Wow. This is a beautiful kitchen.
I think it turned out fantastic. We did this, you can see the detailing in the woodwork, the custom cabinets went all the way to the ceiling. The Annapolis gray on the cabinets, I think, really is a nice touch. It's been a big hit during the show. And then those bright white backsplashes.
That really looks good. And man, I love how you guys took that natural view of the granite and just left those pieces out and grabbed a hold of them and let them shine.
A lot of people are afraid to use those darker and contrasting pieces of granite, but I think it really looks nice.
It gives so much texture to it, and I think it really helps with a really calm, warm, inviting cabinet color like that.
Right.
You can put a little color to it, and it really ties everything together, so it's absolutely beautiful. And speaking of that, lighting in here is beautiful.
Yeah, this lighting is all LED lighting. It's warm to dim, which means that as it comes down, it goes more into the yellow tones that we're accustomed to seeing. So it makes it feel much more warm and inviting.
Yeah, it gives you that warm kind of candlelight feel that normal LEDs just don't give you.
Absolutely.
Beautiful. This is beautiful. What a stunning transformation.
Thank you. So when we started this was just a fireplace and nothing else. And so we added all of the woodwork and trim, the built-in cabinetry. And then once again, as we see, we've got great big windows that put us right back into our backyard.
Nice. Yeah, this really gave us that traditional feel where before it was just a lonely fireplace.
Yeah, absolutely. This is a place now that has definition and purpose. And you'll notice as I'm bringing people through here, I like to point out this artwork. And I let them know that the homeowner is an artist and ask them what they think of this.
Beautiful.
And as they're staring at it and checking out the art, I casually just press a button and it reveals itself to be the television.
That's cool.
So what we wanted to do is have the fireplace be the focus of the room and not a big black TV screen.
Right, because everybody puts it up here.
Right.
It's at a horrible location,
Yep.
and everybody looks at the TV and not the gorgeous fireplace.
Absolutely.
I like how technology has just come another step.
Yeah, it's come so far that it's almost unrecognizable when it's on.
Yeah, it looks like a painting. Love that light fixture.
Yeah, that light fixture has been a huge hit. Everybody has noticed it as they've come through. And this is Isaac, the creative inspiration behind this project. He's our lead designer and he's done a fantastic job.
Nice. Nice to meet you, Isaac.
Nice to meet you. I'm the interior designer for the space. The first 3 months with the homeowner were spent with me sort of figuring out every little detail of the home. And yeah, we put together a pretty cool project.
It's really cohesive in the design. You did a great job with it. Shall we go take a look at the rest of the house?
Yeah, let's go check out the primary bathroom.
Wow, this is a beautiful space.
Yeah, so we kept the same general layout and added some more upper cabinetry to give some more storage space in this beautiful, massive tub that the client loves to sit and relax.
Absolutely. No, I love the large format tiles, the updated tub, and the cabinetry. What a beautiful space.
Yeah, the client really loves it. One of my favorite features in here that we did is the 8-inch backsplash throughout. Typically you'll see a 4-inch, which is a little bit smaller. I think the 8-inch really adds a little bit of luxury to it, the space.
Absolutely. It looks beautiful. Should we go take a look at this closet? It looks pretty impressive.
Let's do it.
Oh, this is a great space.
Yeah, a pretty good sized closet, right?
No kidding. Homes of this era just really didn't take closet space seriously.
Yeah. This one the homeowner really loves. We installed all new custom cabinetry throughout and updated all the lighting so you can actually see your clothing and what you look like when you're getting ready.
Yeah, it's not some dark little closet, is it?
Exactly, yeah. And it's got this beautiful window over here so you really get some natural daylight as well.
Yeah, it's beautiful. Great use of space.
Thank you.
Love these little built-ins.
Yeah, so that's a pretty cool feature of the home. Why don't you try giving it a little push?
Push, huh? Oh, this is a cool feature. Let's go in.
Yeah, so this feature was born out of the desire for the boys who are 13 and 16 who've always shared a bedroom for their whole lives. Wanted the ability to have privacy, but also open it up and create a shared space. So this was our solution to give them a little bit of both.
Nice, and it creates storage as well. It's a cool solution.
Yeah, it's a fantastic job from our cabinet maker for sure.
Yeah, it's a lot of work, but it's beautiful. What a beautiful remodel done by C&K Remodeling. I hope that inspires you for your next one.